What is up, Facebook, YouTube? Anthony here. I'm here at a repeat client's house. He called me back to do some bonded inserts. So I was here once and fixed some carpet already from dog damage. And the little puppy went ahead and dug some more holes up. And now they got the house on the market. So I'm gonna be fixing this today. So let me take you guys inside, show you what's going on. There goes the Good House Mobile. So stay tuned. Got one right here. One right here. And then underneath the bed, he dug up a couple spots here. Alrighty, stay tuned. I'll show you the after results. Alrighty, here's the results of these. Up here. Fantastic. This one here. There's the last one, like it never even happened. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.